we are very concerned, not just yung level ng concern natin pagdating sa ano yung mga kailangan ayusin natin para mapabuti yung performance. It's really, ang hirap sagutin kung ano yung number one priority mo kasi nga, you have to do things simultaneously. So, kasama dun sa nutrition is also mental health. And kaakibat ng mental health is the bullying aspect. So, all these things we really have to address all together. But, hindi naman po tayo magsisimula ngayon pa lang. No, we already started with that in 2022 pa lang. So, hopefully we can see improvements. But we will continue not only to improve our advocacy side on bullying, we will continue to improve our reporting side on bullying. Kasi katulad nga kanina, natanong po tayo kung meron ba tayong hotline. So that makes me feel that the department is not doing enough to really push itong hotline issue natin, reporting system natin. So that is something you can expect DepEd to improve on.